this is a 4x8 sheet of foam that I picked up, and then this is a 2x8 foot sheet of foam. They're both rigid insulation. I think this one's a little bit more, this is more of a styrofoam, but it's super easy to cut. So I used like sort of like a protractor idea, stuck it in the middle, and then created an arc shape. So I used the Sharpie to draw that out, and now I'm just using this X-Acto knife to cut it out. And this is gonna be a backdrop for my bridal shower. All right, so this is what it's looking like now. I'm gonna peel this stuff off so it's easier to paint, and it looks like this just peels right off. I put a couple paint coats onto the foam board. This one is Maple Leaf. I got it from Valspar at Lowe's, and then I picked up this paint color here. This one was from Home Depot. It is called Spirited Yellow because we're doing a lemon She Found Her Main Squeeze themed bridal shower, so I thought that these two colors would be perfect. I still want to tie in the boho elements. We're doing some like peacock chairs and some little dried floral displays, so this is more of like a creamy color, and then the bright yellow for the lemon yellow She Found Her Main Squeeze. And then I'm gonna put either like bride to be or She Found Her Main Squeeze on this panel. So after I painted them, it took a couple coats front and back. I picked up these brackets from Home Depot. These were a couple bucks each, and I just used some E6000 glue, picked this up from Canadian Tire, glued them down. So no hardware, no tools required. Cut them out using an X-Acto knife, no power tools required. So super easy. This one I did a couple hours ago just to see how it would set, and it looks pretty good. It got a little crinkled in the corner, but the balloon garland will cover that, and then we just made them stand up by putting weights on the back. It's actually post bridal shower Shauna speaking, but I filmed a couple clips from a bridal shower and I wanted to share them with you guys so we can have them as a little memory. And I got my hair all done, and I asked for some really nice vintage waves, and it is midnight. I got my hair done at 11 a.m. and it is still rock solid. Whatever she did, the amount of texturizing spray that she used and hairspray, like this hairstyle did not go anywhere, and it was windy as hell today. So I'll do a little twirl. So I will share with you all some peeks at my bridal shower. We're at my bridal shower. Look at how cute it is. So cute. Floored by how generous everyone was. Like, this is absolutely insane. And look how cute these placemats are, like a little brie baker, and we did like a guess who brought the underwear game, which was really hilarious. Here's some cute pictures from the day, and I'm just so grateful for the bridal shower and all the love that was shared that day. It was such an amazing day. Look how cute these cookies were from the bridal shower. I snagged two to take them home. They're so cute.